Let's have a look at how to get rid of the white background in Canva. Let's jump on in. If you're in a scenario like this here where you have different elements in your project and simply have a white background behind it, to get rid of this white background, here's how you do it. Click on Share in the upper right corner of the screen, then click on Download. Then for the file type, make sure that PNG is selected, and finally also make sure to tick the option Transparent Background. When you now download your design right here, the white background will be gone. Now, if the white background is actually part of your image, then here's how you get rid of it. Left click on the image and then on top click on BG Remover. This will immediately remove the white background. However, it's important to understand here now, if you would download this design now as is, then you would actually get a black background behind your POG because this is the current background color that is set within Canva. So if you would like to get this POG here without any background at all, when downloading the image by going to Share in the upper right corner of the screen, and then clicking on Download. Here once again, make sure that under File Type here PNG is selected, and below also tick the option Transparent Background, and then finally click on Download. And this is how you get rid of the white background in Canva. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a good one, bye!